For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a dog walking business is a practical and low-overhead way to enter the pet care industry. With rising pet ownership and busy schedules, dog walking services are in high demand. By integrating free AI tools, you can streamline planning, marketing, and operations without the need for upfront investment in consultants or software. This guide walks you through the process, step by step, showing how AI can assist you in building a dog walking business from the ground up. Step 1. Research the market and identify your niche. Before offering your services, understand your local market. Use free AI tools like ChatGPT to help you analyze demand, competition, and ideal customer profiles. You can prompt ChatGPT with, "What are the most profitable niches within the dog walking industry in your city?" Or "What types of dog owners are most likely to hire a dog walker in a suburban area?" This can help you decide whether to specialize in walking large breeds, elderly dogs, or puppies. For competitor research, use Google Bard or Perplexity AI to search online reviews and business listings. Prompt example: summarize common customer complaints and praises for dog walking businesses in Miami, Florida. This gives you a competitive edge by showing what to offer and what to avoid. Step 2. Create a business plan with AI assistance. A simple, clear business plan is essential. Use ChatGPT to draft one for free. Prompt example: write me a basic business plan for a dog walking business in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Include target customers, services, pricing, marketing strategies, and projected startup costs. You can customize the output to match your local conditions and business goals. You can also use Notion AI to organize your plan into sections like budget, services, and goals. Notion AI allows you to convert bullet ideas into coherent paragraphs and even generate SWOT analyses by prompting. Generate a SWOT analysis for a solo dog walking business. Step 3. Choose a name, register the business, and handle legalities. Selecting a name can be creative and fun. Ask ChatGPT. Suggest 10 catchy names for a dog walking business that emphasize trust and love for pets. Once you choose a name, check local regulations on business registration using your city's or state's business portal. Use a free AI-powered form filler like PDF Gear AI to help complete registration paperwork faster. For creating basic contracts or liability waivers, prompt ChatGPT with, "Create a simple client agreement for a dog walking business, including liability terms and cancellation policy." This gives you a professional document you can revise as needed. Step 4. Set pricing and packages based on AI analysis. Pricing should reflect your value, location, and competitor rates. Use ChatGPT to prompt, "What are common dog walking rates in your city, and how should I price 30-minute versus 60-minute walks?" You can also ask, "Create a tiered pricing model for a dog walking service with discounts for weekly plans." This helps you offer structured packages that appeal to different client needs. Google Sheets, enhanced with free add-ons like GPT Workspace, can help you create pricing calculators and cash flow projections without needing to hire an accountant. Step 5. Build your online presence using free AI tools. A professional online presence builds trust. Start with a free website using tools like Wix or WordPress. To populate your website, use ChatGPT to create your content. Prompt example: write a homepage introduction for a friendly, reliable dog walking business based in South Florida. For your About page, try, write a bio for a solo dog walker who loves dogs, has experience with multiple breeds, and values punctuality and pet safety. You can use Canva's free AI design features to create logos, social media graphics, and flyers. Prompt Canva's magic design with, "Create a dog walking flyer using images of happy dogs, the color blue, and a playful style." Upload these assets to your website and social media pages. Step 6. Market locally with the help of AI. Marketing is crucial, especially when starting out. Use ChatGPT to build a campaign strategy. Create a 30-day marketing plan for launching a dog walking business in a residential neighborhood. It can give you ideas like offering a launch promotion, posting in local Facebook groups, or partnering with pet stores. Use Grammarly's AI tone checker to optimize your posts before you publish them. For Instagram captions or Google business posts, ask ChatGPT. Write 5 engaging Instagram captions promoting dog walking services that include a call to action. To automate social media scheduling, use Buffer or Later's free plans. These platforms use basic AI to suggest optimal posting times and improve engagement. Step 7. Offer excellent service and collect feedback with AI tools. Start walking dogs and give clients the best service possible. To manage your schedule, Google Calendar can be enhanced with Reclaim AI to automatically allocate time slots and reduce conflicts. Prompt Reclaim. Set recurring appointments for weekday dog walks between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. with 30-minute breaks. After service, use Typeform's free version to collect client feedback. You can ask ChatGPT. Write a short 3-question customer satisfaction survey for a dog walking service. Analyze the feedback using Google Sheets and prompt ChatGPT. Summarize key trends from this customer feedback. Paste responses. Step 8. Grow your business using AI insights. Once established, consider growing by hiring walkers or expanding your territory. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm. What are the best strategies for scaling a local dog walking business? For hiring, ask. Write a job description for a part-time dog walker emphasizing reliability, pet care experience, and punctuality. Use Trello with AI plugins like Planyway to manage workflows and task assignments. To plan growth, prompt ChatGPT. Create a 6-month expansion strategy for a dog walking business looking to double its client base. Conclusion. Launching a dog walking business no longer requires large investments or a background in business. With the help of free AI tools, you can research your market, build a brand, attract clients, and manage operations efficiently. From writing content to scheduling walks, AI makes it easy to appear professional and stay organized. By combining your love for animals with smart use of technology, you can build a successful business that serves both pets and their owners in your community. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.